Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your location on the X app, formerly Twitter. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. On the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Your Account. Now select Account Information. Here you'll see different account details. Look for the option called Country and tap on it. You'll now see a list of available countries. Select the country you want to switch to. After choosing your country, tap on Agree and Continue. You may need to confirm your choice, so just follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any issues. Once done, your location will be updated successfully. And that's it. That's how you change your location on the X app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.